Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you this mini photo and you can keep it on the table in this manner. You can stick the pics on this side also and even on this side also. So let's start with this beautiful DIY. So here it is. See how beautiful this mini photo frame looks. You can stick pics. I'll zoom in. You can stick pics on this side also and even on this side also, and you can write messages also, and you can keep changing the photos in this, and this is perfect for your table. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.